This drink is called a watermelon shooter. Now, there are many versions of this particular cocktail. We're going to show you one of them here. It's a very basic drink. It involves Southern Comfort, pineapple, cranberry juice, and sweet and sour. So let's get started. It is a shooter, so we'll take our shaker glass, we're going to fill it with ice, and then we're going to need 2 ounces of Southern Comfort. Southern Comfort is a honey-based bourbon. It's generally known to be made from New Orleans. I believe it's called the grand old drink of the South. Let's get 2 ounces of this in here. We're going to use our 1 ounce jigger 2 times. Glug, 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 glug. You'll find Southern Comfort is a thick liqueur, so it pours a little slow. Then we're going to need 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to need 1 ounce of cranberry juice and a ½ ounce of sour. 1, 2. 1 with the cranberry. This is going to be a hefty size shooter. Some sweet and sour. Now let's get this shaken as best we can. If I can get a shaker on my hand here. Very frothy with all those juices in there. Get yourself a nice highball glass and strain. It's got a nice kind of red tint to it, kind of like a watermelon. Look at that, very frothy. Have some of that. Enjoy.